So, welcome to today's vlog number 14. So, today I'm going to be showing you how to do a simple advanced body weight training just using the fitness corner here to do a bunch of different movements that you might have seen in some of my previous videos and also that you can challenge yourself with. Stay tuned. So, as you can see that the fitness corner actually usually have a bunch of different things like a pull-up bar here, a parallel bar behind this, and this is something that you can maybe do stretching or you can do some human flag with. So I kind of like it because it's pretty versatile and also there's a bunch of different things that you can choose from. So stay tuned for the first exercise. So first exercise that we're gonna do today is basically the pull-ups. Alright, very common exercise that you have seen before, and also how can you do it? You need a straight bar. So if you are strong, try to do them without any support, without any bands. So I would suggest you to do about at least 5 to 8 reps. Do 3 sets of this. So hold the bar, body straight, look straight, keep your core tight, engage, exhale as you pull up, inhale as you come down. Exhale as you pull up, inhale as you come down. So try to do 3 sets of 5 to 8 reps. Then you're done for this, then we progress to the next exercise, which is the push-up. Second exercise that I'll be doing in this upper body workout series today, which will be gonna be push-ups. Also another very common exercise that you can do anywhere, anytime, because it just requires you to push yourself off the ground. So how do you do it? Alright, make sure your hands are wider than shoulder width. Alright, that's the first thing. Second thing, make sure your elbows are not too far apart from your body. They are relatively close. Your shoulders are in front of your elbows, not your elbows are same as your shoulders. So your push-up, it should look like that. Shoulders in front of your wrists, okay? Go straight down, inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. You want to keep your body straight, keep your core tight, keep your legs engaged. Go down slowly, exhale, come up. Load everything on your chest, shoulder and tricep. Try to do 3 sets of 5 to 8 reps. Stay tuned for the next one. So, third exercise for today that we're gonna be doing is actually gonna be a simple underhand chin. Alright, it trains a bit of your bicep, a bit of your back, and also helps you to increase your upper body strength in stabilization, in pulling. So how do you do this? Alright, keep your feet here, okay? Have the bar in the underhand position. Exhale as you pull yourself close to the bar. Inhale as you come down. Exhale as you pull up. Inhale as you come down. Exhale as you pull up. Inhale as you come down. You want to keep every rep very stable, alright? No jerking, no swinging. Use your back, use your bicep. Pull yourself close to the bar. Slowly let yourself down. Fourth exercise that we're going to be doing today is going to be a dip, okay? So it trains chest, tricep, shoulder, and also your upper body strength in terms of pushing. So how do you do this? You need a parallel bar that's this way here. Get yourself up, okay? Exhale as you go down, inhale as you come up, exhale as you go down, inhale as you come up. So you want to try to do about 3 sets of 5 to 8 reps. Make sure your body is stable, make sure your body is controlled, so you push yourself up and down slowly. So, last exercise for today is going to be a simple bar walk, okay? It's a way to condition your arm strength, your core strength, your upper body stability, and also trains your coordination. So, how do you do it? Okay, get onto the parallel bar, push yourself up, slowly move forward. You have to move forward while your arms stay locked and straight. It's a relatively challenging movement for you to do, but it's also a good finisher for yourself to try. So try it out. Alright. So thanks for watching today's upper body outdoor workout training video. So drop a comment in the box below. Let me know what are the contents you want to see. What do you think about the workout? What are the things you want me to share about? So this is Derek signing out for next week. Bye!